So it's been a mad dash to try to get ready for LSPR. So I haven't been filming much, but we've got Evo on the dyno. We have finished tuning. Still need to do, so we put a heated windshield in the car, so we had to get a new windshield banner. So I got to do a windshield banner, and realized that the fire extinguishers are a little too small, don't have dates on them, so I gotta put another one here, put that new one there. Got a little switch in there for the heated windshield, and a couple new labels there. Cleaned up the dash a bit, gonna clean up the floor a little bit more on that side, clean this all up. But yeah, we're pretty much down to just a couple small things, like the windshield banner and cleaning the car. I got to put the spares back in the trunk, get them strapped down, and then yeah, I'm packing everything up, and gonna be heading out on Monday, late Monday, and then Tuesday I'm going to be at UNOH speaking about rally stuff with the Evo, which will be cool. All the kids can check that out. But we've been also just doing trailer maintenance and van maintenance and putting new tires on everything and all that sort of stuff. So we got all that stuff done. Finished that late last night, about 1 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, we're going to be ready for that. So I'm gonna finish up the stuff tomorrow, like the fire extinguishers, cleaning the car, or at least the inside of the car, and doing that windshield banner tomorrow. And I'll probably try to squeeze in a little bit more work on Fiesta. Been working on trying to get the heat shield for the turbo on, the turbo blanket. I've got to continue down the gold down and underneath this, so I gotta finish doing that, and then I can get my riv nut gun, my replacement riv nut gun, because I forgot mine was broken, showed up today, so I'll be able to really finish up the center console, the switch panels, by putting in some riv nuts. And so I'm hoping to finish some of that stuff tomorrow and get that stuff really in a better position so that I can come back from LSPR and get the Fiesta finally wrapped up and out of here. So, but being I was here till about 1 o'clock last night, I'm going home to get some rest today, and gonna do some invoicing from home. Fun stuff, right? But yeah, LSPR to come. Check it out. We'll be back soon with that stuff. So peace. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.